What's going on, guys? August 2026, Kaspa update, first week. And one thing that I've noticed is the level of bullishness when it comes to Kaspa by the community. But what's going on outside of the community? There is one wallet that has been absolutely stacking Kaspa. This, what we call Entity X. The balances are just absolutely incredible right now. And it either has to be, of course, $45 million worth of Kaspa being accumulated consistently. It either has to be an exchange or, of course, the only other thing it can be is a major whale or an institution. But I do like what I'm seeing when it comes to Kaspa being accumulated at, 1.48 billion. And I lose track because every single day or every other week, we see this large order. Okay, 18 hours ago, you can see here, Entity X loaded for another 3.7 million Kaspa. It's absolutely surreal. Somebody is putting major money on KAS, while obviously everybody else sits on the sideline. But from a technical standpoint, we have seen that this was inevitable, right? So back in 2023 to 2025, what we saw, shoulder, we had the first shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And of course, we've suffered this brutal lockdown or downtrend in the price. Kaspa doesn't really fully flip bullish until we get above these moving averages. Preferably the 100-week moving average is the first level above 5 cents when you start to feel like the tide has been turned. But if we can even break the downtrend, in my opinion, currently, that white line you see there, we need to have buyers stepping in at the current level. If we look at this on the daily, you can see we're testing a massive support range now. And if we don't obviously go above this or bounce from here, which we're quite oversold here, there is obviously resistance immediately to the upside. But this is a great time to watch if Kaspa can rebound, or do we get what I call this generational entry below? And what do I mean by that? If we look at the chart specifically, what you would see is this green band here, and this goes all the way back. The OGs know this, but it goes all the way back to this price action here as far back as early 2023. Now, I don't think we'll get that lucky, but where we are right now, you can see here, we are coming back down to these key wicks, filling this 2-4 area, 2 cents, and just above 2 cents is where we're hovering now, 2.6. So this is a critical time to pay attention whether you believe Kaspa is going to replace or is going to have a massive opportunity for that 100x. Let's be honest, the market cap still remains incredibly small at $700 million market cap, almost fully diluted. And don't forget, in the next few months, it's going to go deflationary. So my thesis, my idea is, of course, I've got a large bag of Kaspa stored away. Entity X keeps on loading up. From a technical standpoint, we've been in a kind of a 2-year, we had a head start on the bear market, but this is a critical time to pay attention to this floor, because if this floor gives, the chances are we are going to be in line with this generational buy here at this order block. Otherwise, every time this support area was entered, and I'll actually show you the area. Every time this support area has been entered in the last few, look at this, it gets eaten back up at this level. So this is a very key support area for this price range. And then it goes all the way back to 2023. You could see the chart does align fully with what we expect to happen in terms of the price action. But price action alone is not the conviction. The conviction here is a generational buy. We are at below 3 cents. A lot of people said it would never go back down below 3 cents. Well, it has. You got entities and, you got whales, institution, whoever that is, they hold $45+ million worth of Kaspa. So, no doubt they will market make this significantly compared to what it's had. And to be fair, it is going to enter its first real bull market. So in my opinion, it's fast, scalable, secure, and proof of work. So when you actually compare this to Bitcoin, Litecoin, and a bunch of the other proof of stake consensus out there, there is absolutely no question big money is going to flow through this. Now, the only thing is, if you debate whether to dollar cost average between where we are now, potentially it's not a falling knife anymore, because the majority of the downward price action has already taken place, and it has been happening for best part of 2 years now. I'd say probably since January 2025. This is probably the most significant, December 2024, January 2025, the price action that really confirmed that right shoulder for this downtrend. So I'm giddy, I'm excited. You know, I feel like I'm making videos again since I got into KAS, but like 2021, 2022 rather, late 2022, early 2023. That's where we are right now. So this is going to give you the very minimum I expect Kaspa to do is baseline 50x, right? Price-wise. But I can honestly say 100x, I won't even be surprised at the current market cap level. So let me know if you hold Kaspa. Of course, it's a great time to be alive because bear markets give you opportunities like this. I'm in no doubt this technology will go and kick ass. But in the meantime, it's just one of those that sits around here. Nobody really talks about it. Everybody chases that next shiny meme coin. Dollar cost average into this and just hold it in cold storage. That's what you have to do. Obviously, we can't guarantee that it does 1000x or whatever, but this technology, sooner or later, big money like this entity X will start piling into it. All right. So that's where we are with Kaspa. We still don't have buyers in control, of course. There are some aspects of bullish divergences on the weekly, but don't pay too much attention. The macro's in charge. The downtrend is fully intact. And yes, you are buying it at a discount. Let me know if you hold Kaspa, of course, and smash the like, share this video, and let me know what coin we need to talk about next. Take care, guys.